Hello, Beard Nation. Thank you for searching on YouTube for how to grow a beard, best ways to grow a beard, growing a beard tips and tricks. Don't worry, you have found the perfect spot. My name is DanCBearded. My loyal subscribers call me the trusted teacher for all things beard related. Any of my loyal subscribers out there with big, beautiful beards, thank you for clicking and checking out this video anyway. That means the world to me. Now for you new guys, welcome. This is an amazing community that I've built and developed here, and we go over everything you need to know about growing a beard. This video is going to give you guys 5 tips and tricks on how to grow not just a beard, but one that you can enjoy, one you can be proud of. And don't worry, my other subscribers out there, I'm going to do an updated video about 5 tips and tricks for new beardsmen or guys that have a beard. This is for the people that are looking at growing their first beard. This is for the people that have shaved down or trimmed down and are starting from the bottom. Now we're here, trying to get a beard like this or like any of the other beautiful beards out there. This is what we're going to break down on today's video. And a quick introduction, my name, as I said, is Dan. I include my family on these videos. On the reviews, my beautiful wife is on every single one. I'm an actual teacher. I'm a history teacher, and I work really hard on this channel for giving you guys research and experience and just overall entertainment, because that's what we're here for. So please check out my introduction, and then I'm going to break it down with the 5 tips on how you can grow a beard. Tip number 1. To unlock tip number 1, you must hit that subscribe button now. Don't worry, I will wait for you. Yes, you, the new guy checking out my channel, you're like, I don't know about this beard teacher guy. He's got his logo on a hat. Please hit the button. Okay, thank you. That really does help out the channel, and it does help out my family, so thank you for subscribing. Tip number 1, let's get this one out of the way. Get all the trolls, the haters, the people looking for attention out of there. Tip number 1, don't shave. Throw that razor away. Do not touch it on your beard. On my Myth Buster series, I'm going to address the myth that shaving will make your beard thicker and more full coming back. Little spoiler alert, that is false. Do not shave your beard. If you would like to grow a beard, obviously common sense would kick in. Stop shaving. So number 1, to be very simple, to address everybody that's going to make those comments on there, yes, get rid of the razors, stop shaving. Simple, 1 down, bam. Tip number 2, the hardest one for a lot of people to stomach and swallow, that is the idea of genetics. To grow a great beard, you need to have great genetics. We're going to talk about ways to clean your beard, promote health, and everything else to help you along the way. But unless you're getting into the medical side of things like drugs and transplants, you are not going to create hair where the follicles are not there already. So you do need to have great genetics to grow a great beard. There are some people that are blessed with amazing genetics that don't need to touch their beard or do anything different in their life, and they're going to grow a big burly beard. My channel is going to help you make it look nice, give it the most health possible, and just really build up your beard game. But you do need those genetics. So if there are areas where you are not growing a beard right now, you can give it a little bit of time. People can change their beard growth patterns throughout their life. There are some men that don't get their full potential of a beard until they're 50, until they're 60. I talk about a thing called DHT. DHT gets better and your beard grows as you get older. It's the same thing that gets rid of your head hair, unfortunately, but you gotta have the genetics. That is one thing we cannot control, we cannot alter or change at this time. I know stuff's coming, CRISPR, all that type of stuff, but right now, you gotta have good genetics to grow a great beard. Tip number 3 on how you can grow a big, beautiful beard, and most importantly, keep your beard. The number 1 enemy of all beards is getting rid of it, of course. It's not the actual beard itself. And one of the biggest problems and reasons why guys get rid of their beard is because their beard itches. They talk about this itching phase. Well, tip number 3 is get yourself a great bottle of beard oil. Easy. Get that bottle of beard oil to nourish your skin. Get rid of that beard itch. I never went through a beard itch phase because I had the tools necessary to not have that problem. So save your beard, get a bottle of beard oil. It's gonna make you smell great. It's gonna make you feel great, and it's gonna add this kind of hobby collection to your life that I think all men need and deserve. So definitely, huge tip. Tip number 3, get yourself a bottle of quality beard oil. If you want to look for some, I have a top 10 list. I have tons and tons of reviews. Check them out and find what works for you. Trial and error, experiment. Bottle of beard oil. Tip number 3. Tip number 4, be confident and do not let negative comments get to you. When you decide to go on this path of growing out your beard, you are going to get some jokes. You are going to get some jabs from your buddies. Your coworkers are going to throw shade at you because of that beard. It may be about, hey, what's that thing on your face? You may get terrorist comments. You may get these comments about how it looks terrible. You got to shrug those off, guys. If you want to grow this beard out, you're likely going to go through an awkward phase, but all I can say is it is so worth it on the other side. It changes people. When you can see those Instagram pictures of before and after with a beard, and you see all the comments that are like, never shave again, you look amazing, wow, totally different person, it is worth that. So let people make their comments. Usually it's their own insecurities that they are projecting on you. I know that sounds cliche and corny, but it is true. And normally that's just how our culture works. When you have buddies, they gotta find something to rag on. And if you are trying this beard for the first time in your life, that's an easy target. So that's what they're gonna go to. Even if they think it's an awesome looking beard, they're probably gonna throw some comments at you about it. And unfortunately, a lot of those comments get to people, and that's why they get rid of their beard. So please, grow a beard by ignoring the haters, ignoring the comments, and just being confident. Tip number 5. Huge tip here, I preach it all the time on my channel. Cheers to this one. Drink water. Drink a lot of water. Most of the negative things you hear about beards has to do with their lack of water from ingestion. When we have beard oil, it's not going to hydrate our beard. It's not going to hydrate our skin. It will nourish it. It will do amazing things. But we need to get water from the inside first. I highly recommend drinking 1 gallon of water a day. I've done this for over a year straight now, and it's changed my life. It's changed my skin, my health, but most importantly, it's changed my beard. When you're first starting to grow out your beard, that itchy phase can be helped by drinking water. As you get a little bit of length to it, everything changes once you get water. People talk about beards being straw-like or brittle. Those are only people that are dehydrated. If you have great water intake, your beard is gonna feel amazing. It's gonna be soft, it's gonna be strong. Please drink water. I cannot stress enough at how much that will help your skin and help your beard, and in return, allow you to grow a beard. Absolutely tip number 5, H2O. Final conclusions, final thoughts. Well, Mr. Prospective Beardsman, I hope you learned something today. I hope you got some tips that are gonna help you grow and keep that beard. A lot of growing a beard is out of your hands, but there is a lot that you can control, and we should only worry about the things we can control. You cannot control your genetics. I will say though, if your beard has a different style, a different growing pattern, embrace it. Everybody has a different style, and it is beloved in the bearded community. Whether your beard is red, whether it is salt and pepper with some grays in there, we love that. We covet that. Whether you have little gaps under your chin or on your cheeks, there is a style to fit you. I guarantee it. So give it a shot. Grow it out, but do those tips to give it a real, true chance. I think a lot of guys go through No Shave November, and they don't use beard oil. They don't drink enough water. They do not listen to my tips, and then they shave the beard. Give it a shot, give it a real go, and let's see where it can go from there. It is a great lifestyle. You will look amazing. You will gain confidence. You will gain respect. Give it a chance. Check out all of my other videos. I urge you, look at my playlist. Learn some stuff about this bearded community and get obsessed like we are. And I leave every video with a question for you guys. So this is for my loyal, experienced subscribers, as well as any new beardsmen that want to chip in. If you're a new beardsman, leave any questions or comments down below. They will get addressed by myself and our great community. But question to help out these new beardsmen, guys. What is the #1 thing that saved your beard? Growing is the easy part. Keeping it is the hard part. What is the #1 tip that saved your beard? For me, it was beard oil. I don't think I could have made it through the itchy phase, and I love smelling nice. So when I have something that's going to alleviate that itch, and I can smell my favorite scents throughout the day, and my skin is gonna feel great, absolute game changer. Beard oil saved my beard. So think back, guys, way to the early stages. Your first No Shave November, the first month or two of you growing out a beard, brand new beardsmen. Let's help them out. What is the number one thing that saved your beard? Leave a comment, leave a question, you guys. Thank you. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Prepare to be obsessed and diving into this community, and especially into DanCBearded and family. So you guys, as always, stay bearded and stay positive.